In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add projects on the LinkedIn mobile app. Adding a project to your profile is a great way to showcase hands-on work, highlight the tools you used, and give potential employers or clients a quick snapshot of what you actually built. We'll do this entirely inside the LinkedIn mobile app so you can update your profile on the go. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. From the main feed, look to the top left and tap your profile icon. This opens a small panel. Tap your profile photo or name once more to go straight to your profile page. On your profile, find the Add section button. Tap it, then choose Recommended. Under Recommended, select Projects. This is the dedicated area where you can create a new project entry. You'll see fields to fill in. Begin with the project name. Pick a clear, specific title that someone outside your team would understand. Next, add a description. Briefly explain what the project is, your role, the problem it solved, and the outcome. If you used notable tools or methods, mention them here so recruiters can quickly connect your skills to real results. Below that, you can add skills. Choose relevant skills that reflect your contribution, not just the tech stack. This helps your profile appear in the right searches. If you have supporting media like screenshots, a short demo video, or a link to a live site, you can attach it here. Visuals make your work easier to evaluate at a glance. In additional details, you can indicate if you're currently working on this project. Set the start date, and if it's finished, add the end date. Accurate dates help your timeline make sense to viewers. There's also an option to add a contributor. If you collaborated with teammates, you can list them here to credit their work and show the scope of the project. Once everything looks good, tap Save. Your new project will be added to your profile right away on mobile. Give it a quick read to ensure the title and description are clear and that the media loads properly. That's it. Now you know exactly how to add projects on the LinkedIn mobile app. If this walkthrough helped you, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload.